Why should especially black folk be so patriotic in the World Cup to do with England?
From biker, yeah, na 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 na. Ooh. This is the from biker, from rider. Give your bike a rev, then put down your visor. Yeah.
We're outside again. Yaga yo, we're outside again, outside again. Yes. How y'all feeling, yaga yo? Good morning. Assalamu alaikum, bonjour. Chase. How you doing this morning, family? I hope everybody's good. Monday morning, just after the World Cup game. What was it? England versus, was it Mexico? I'm not into football, by the way. Not my thing. Personally, I believe that, you know, when it comes to the World Cup, yeah, the England thing, I feel like there's too many people that have like a kind of racial connotation to this English patriotism when it comes to football. And yeah, for that reason I'm not on it, because I've seen some racist things going on over the years with this football thing, man. I see all people flinging banana on the pitch. So to me, I'm feeling like, why should especially black folk be so patriotic in the World Cup to do with England? Yeah, I said it. To me, that sounds crazy. I'm not gonna lie. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Now, don't get me wrong. I'm born in England, raised in England, and I'll probably never leave and like live anywhere else. You get me? This is what I know. This is what I've been acculturated to, innit? Do you know what I'm saying? I'm used to the system, X, Y, and Z. But let's not pretend that systematically there's not some friggery that's always going on. Do you get what I'm saying? Like, I mean, look at this type of brother. I'm not saying this is everybody, by the way. You get me? It's not everybody that thinks like this, but I can't really be taking part in this kind of thing. Check this video out.
How you feeling about England playing Senegal or DR Congo next round?
We've colonised them once. We'll colonise them twice. We'll colonise them twice. Colonise them twice.
So there we have it. You see, you got people like that, and I think there's a whole heap that when it's the football settings, that's how they're seeing it, innit? Do you know what I'm saying? So my thing is, yeah, in one breath you're seeing it like that, and the thing is, it weren't even England that colonized the Congo. It was Belgium, King Leopold, right? And done all kind of wickedness in the Congo, disgusting behavior, yeah? But how I'm looking at it, yeah, is that down there, he's not looking at it like that. He's just looking at it like black and white. He's not looking at it as, okay, it wasn't England, it was Belgium. Do you understand what I'm trying to say? And for me, I'm not trying to entertain it. Now, big up to all the non-English that play for the England team. I hope that you're doing good stuff with the money, you're building up yourself, you're building up your spot, building up your homeland. Do you get what I'm saying? This is not an indictment against them. To me, I just feel like the whole football thing when it comes to England and the World Cup, yeah, there's a lot of very, very, very sinister racial connotations. Do you get what I'm saying? So we're going to see how this thing's going to play out. I'm not into football, but I might keep watching and following the whole England thing, because people try and make out like it's not that, when really it is. Do you know what I mean? The players, racist, and let's not play no games. I'll say that England's racist with no apology. Now, do I cut through the same way? Yeah, man, I cut through the same way. Do you get what I'm trying to say? But at the same time, I beg nothing. Do you understand? Like, I'm not begging for validation by going to the pub and be going, England, England. I'm not on that, innit? Do you know what I mean? Whoever does that, fair play, man. But to me, you're looking a little bit crazy. To me. Do you know what I mean? yeah, man, that was just my little thoughts on that. And I hope that there's not brothers out here that are on the verge of losing their flipping job because they was up at 4 o'clock last night in the pub them, yeah, with the clang, saying go on England. Anyway, let me know what you think, man. We out.
From biker, yeah, na 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 na. Ooh. This is a from biker, from rider. Give your bike a rev, then put down your visor. Yeah.
We're outside again.